Happens when you dream.
Tell us in your own words.
I dreamed last night I got on the boat to heaven, and by some chance I had brought my dice along, and there I stood, and I hollered someone feed me, but the passengers they know right from wrong. And I said to myself, sit down, you're rocking the boat. Said to myself, sit down, you're rocking the boat. And the devil will drag you under with the sharp propellers, checkered coat. Sit down, you're rocking the boat. And as I laughed at those passengers to heaven, a great big wave came and washed me overboard. And as I sank and I hollered, someone save me, but the passengers, they know right from wrong. And I said to myself, sit down, sit down, said to myself, sit down. And the devil will drag you under, and with a soul so heavy you never float. Sit down, you're rocking the boat. Sit down, you're rocking, sit down, you're rocking the boat. Sit down, you're rocking, sit down, you're rocking the boat. Sit down, you're rocking the boat.
I'll testify that you wound up cop getting here last night.
Oh yeah?
Miss Sarah, you were here last night.